Welcome to the Weather Center. We had cloud-free skies dominating the weather throughout Saturday across the western half of the country, but cloudy skies gave us light rain along much of the east coast, and over the interior we had storm clouds resulting in isolated to scattered thunderstorms across the central and eastern areas, where some of the thunderstorms you see here are going to stay with us for a good part of your Saturday night. We start off Sunday with unsettled weather extending from the northwest down into the southeastern parts of the country, and as the day progresses we are going to see more thunderstorms popping up across the eastern areas of the Northern Cape and pushing into the eastern provinces and down into much of KwaZulu-Natal and the eastern areas of the Eastern Cape. It's going to be pretty quiet for the western parts of the country with a bit of cloud over the Southern Cape areas. Fresh winds are expected for your Sunday around Cape Town and Port Elizabeth. A fresh northwesterly breeze is also expected for the eastern areas of the Northern Cape. It's going to be less breezy across eastern South Africa. We have a warning in place for high fire danger for your Sunday over the northern areas of the Northern Cape. You will also need to watch out for severe thunderstorms that could produce large hail and damaging winds around the border areas of the Eastern Cape and the Free State. Now we are going to see isolated to scattered afternoon and evening thunderstorms on Sunday across the central and eastern areas of the Northern Cape. A sizzling hot 36 for the high in Appington. Fine conditions are forecast across the Western Cape. Cape Town warming to around 26, warmer for the interior, and a hot 36 is forecast for the high in Vredendal. It's going to be pretty quiet for the Southern Cape areas. Just a few showers around Graaff-Reinet. Light rain for Port Elizabeth, warming to around 21 degrees. Light rain is also forecast for East London and Port Alfred, both peaking at 22 degrees, 22 as well for the high in Graaff-Reinet, but pretty unsettled weather is forecast for the eastern areas of the Eastern Cape. We are also going to see stormy conditions for much of KwaZulu-Natal. Richards Bay gets away with partly cloudy skies, warming to around 28 degrees. Thunderstorms are also forecast across the Mpumalanga Highveld. Rain showers from Mbombela warming to around 25 degrees. We are also expecting light rain for the eastern areas of the Limpopo province. Polokwane will be partly cloudy and dry, peaking at 24. Thunderstorms are forecast for the western areas of the Limpopo province. It's also going to be unsettled across the northwest with highs around 29 for Rustenburg and Zeerust, just a degree cooler for Mahikeng. Stormy weather continues on Sunday across the Free State, Bloemfontein and Felcom, peaking at around 27 degrees. We are expecting thundery showers across the Gauteng province, Johannesburg and Vereeniging, peaking at around 25 degrees. On Monday, we are going to stay with thunderstorms from the western interior into eastern South Africa. It's going to be partly cloudy and hotter for the western areas. Cape Town peaking at 32 degrees. Rainy weather sets in on Tuesday for Vredendal and Cape Town, and thunderstorms will continue for the rest of South Africa.